This is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services. As usual, we're here early. I hope everybody having a good day. I'm doing an apartment. This is what I do. Of course, people didn't clean it. They did everything they need to do. I gotta do the carpets. Yeah, I got my vacuum. By the way, yep, one of those. Anyhow, this is the living room. You know, even though the carpet looked practically new, it was not. But you got red stain I gotta deal with. Right there, like the rust, brown spots. Other than that, the person moved out. Everything was done. So I gotta get this done. It looked like they vacuumed, but they didn't vacuum quite too well. So I'm gonna go and make sure everything get vacuumed. This is the master bedroom, in which now you got, a bleach spot right there by the door. I got nothing to do with that much. But there goes some stain. The master bedroom, and then there's a big red stain over here. You ain't gonna tell me what it is. Got all the stain right there, and there's another big stain over here. Red stain going all the way leading back out. And whatever was spilled all the way out in the master bedroom. Then they got closet. A little walk-in closet. So I have here, go to the 2-bedroom and this living area. Then we go to the next bedroom. Over here, separate bedroom. And this looks pretty good. Got a little stain right there and right there. Put some light on. And some of this apartment, or most of them, don't have no fan. So I'm about to bring my fan in and let it dry while I do the other one. And like I said, this is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services. And we get back with the results. Yeah, have a blessed day. Now that I finished vacuuming, that's the step. I accessed the carpet, I did the vacuuming. This is what it looked like. That's with the vacuuming. Of course, you're still gonna see stain. This is the first bedroom. I'll go back to the living room. So you still see the stain, even though it looks wonderful just by vacuuming it. So you still got a red stain on the carpets. My next step is to come and treat all these spots. And after I finish treating all the spots, then I will come and go ahead and pre-spray and then begin the extraction process. And if I need to go back and touch up any other spots or stain that is there that didn't come up, do it all over again on that area. This is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services, showing you the steps that we take to clean the carpets. As you can see, this is one of the spots that runs in the master bedroom all the way out. I started pre-treating all the dark spot. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm using. Kool-Aid and red remover. Red relief. Anything that is red is gonna come out. Look for in your eyes, they're gonna start disappearing. This is how I treat one of the processes that I take to treat all my red dyes. I tested our area already and I saw that it's lighting it up. So then when I come with the extraction, I'm gonna do my pre-spray and come with the extraction, it should be able to get all that up with no problem. Of course, we usually charge extra for red stain removal. Because it takes a different chemical. But yeah, that's how I gotta take each stain. As you see it, once I put that on there, pretty much gone. Same with that one. By the time I go set up, I'll treat each stand individually. Now, most companies probably charge you per stand, or they can charge you per room. Depending on, after I assess the problem and see what it is, then I'll tell you whether I charge per room or if you want me to charge you per stand. I'll let you choose the deal that best for both of us.